Hi, for your cooking class today, we will be learning chopperati, the cooking arts of chopping things. And then there will be multiple moves taught, and the first one I will teach you is the guillotine, straight up and straight down. And then I will demonstrate this. The next move we'll learn is the worm. See, it's like a worm. And then the next move we'll learn, the third one, is the falling building. You hold the bottom tip and you go down. But you hold it tight so it doesn't slide. And then the next move will be the classic. Oh yeah. The sprinkler. You get the nuts in a nice stack or circle, and then you go right. And that's all the moves for today. Bye.